The manufacturing industry is becoming more complex. Every batch must be executed precisely. Every material, parameter, and approval must be traceable, and every delay affects production, compliance, and speed to patient. Many manufacturers still rely on paper records, manual entries, disconnected systems, and delayed QA reviews. This creates transcription errors, slow batch release, limited visibility, and rising compliance risk. Modern manufacturing industry needs a smarter way to control execution. Web Synergies MES connects planning, production, quality, and release into one digital execution platform. It bridges ERP and the shop floor, guiding operators, capturing data in real time, enforcing SOPs, and creating complete electronic batch records. Batch orders are imported and scheduled. Materials and equipment are verified through barcode-driven checks. Operators follow guided workflows with real-time data capture. Deviations are flagged at source, QA reviews by exception. Electronic signatures support approval, and every batch moves toward faster, compliant release. The result is right first-time execution, paperless batch records, end-to-end traceability, stronger audit readiness, and faster release cycles without losing compliance control. But Web Synergies MES goes beyond digitization. AI Assistant helps users ask questions in natural language. AI-generated batch summaries reduce documentation effort. Deviation classification accelerates triage. Step risk and OOS intelligence detect problems earlier. Release readiness scoring gives QA a live go, no-go view. AI supports the process, while every interaction remains logged and auditable. With audit trails, electronic signatures, role-based access, and complete batch traceability, the platform is designed to support compliance and inspection of readiness. The impact is measurable: faster batch release, higher efficiency, reduced deviations, stronger compliance readiness, and complete manufacturing visibility. Web Synergies MES helps manufacturing industry move from paper-based execution to intelligent, compliant, and connected manufacturing. Web Synergies MES, smarter manufacturing, better compliance, faster release.